fine and staying safe. So in today's video I'm going to talk about this face washes from Himalaya, and I'm also going to share that which face wash is good for which skin type. So make sure you watch this video till the end. If you are new to my channel, my name is Prasansa, and I'd really appreciate if you could take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I'll upload a new video. So without further ado, let's start with the video. And also please let me tell you that if there is noise in the background and it is raining very heavily, so please ignore the same and let's start. The first face wash that I want to speak about is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. I think this is the most famous and most talked about face wash from the Himalaya face wash range that they have. Absolutely loving this. I have been using this since a couple of weeks now, and I absolutely love this. Now let me start by talking about the packaging. This is how the tube actually looks. Doesn't come with any outer box, and the price is just 65 rupees for 50 ml. I mean, getting a face wash of that quantity in this price is actually such a great deal. Now this face wash has neem in it, and it also has turmeric. Now neem has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property, really good for treating acne, and turmeric as a whole is really good for the skin. I absolutely love turmeric. I apply turmeric on my DIYs and everything, and I just love it. So both these ingredients are great for treating acne, and this face wash is really good for people with oily skin, normal skin and dry skin. This will suit all the skin types. However, people with acne prone skin, now I have used the face wash when I had active acne on my face. I actually didn't like this during that time because I had such bad acne, and this did not actually do any good for my skin. It didn't turn my skin, it didn't worsen my skin, however it didn't did any good to my skin. So I actually didn't like that. But right now when I am not having any acne issue, I went back to this face wash and absolutely loving this. So what I want to say is that people with oily skin or acne prone skin, not oily skin, acne prone skin, you might actually not like this, and it might not actually do anything for you. So this might not be preferable for those people. But as I said, people with normal skin, oily skin and dry skin, you should definitely try this one out. Let me show you how the consistency of this face wash is. Now I'm going to take this on the back of my hand. Now it has a gel formula and it is light green in color. I absolutely love the smell of this. Now when you apply this on your face, it doesn't leave your face dried out. It hydrates your skin and feels really good. I use this 3 times a day. However, because I have really oily skin, however, I would suggest that you can use this only like for 2 times in a day. But if you feel like washing your face 3 times, then you should definitely go for it. But make sure that you don't overwash your face. Don't wash your face more than 3 times in a day. The next face wash that I'm going to talk about is the Himalaya Oil Clear Lemon Face Wash. This removes excess oil and has lemon and honey in it. Now let me first show you how the face wash is. Now it is transparent and it's a gel formula. However, this has micro beads or scrubbing particles. So whenever you wash your face, you feel that scrub on your face. Really good for people with oily skin. A bit fancy, or a bit fancier on the fragrance part. Now this has lemon and honey in it, and lemon is really good for your skin. It has vitamin C, brightens your skin and removes that excess oil in. And this has honey too, which actually means that it is really good for treating acne. However, my face, I have figured out that honey doesn't suit my face. I use any honey, any product that has honey in it, or if I apply direct honey on my face, I end up having an acne. Now this might be very much, people are thinking, what is she saying, because honey is really good for treating acne. But trust me, I have used honey on my face and it has not done any good to me. In fact, it has worsened my skin. So I just don't use any product that has honey. Now I have used this a couple of times. Now I feel that because honey doesn't suit my face, so I am not liking this that much. But if honey suits your face, then this is gonna be a great face wash for you. Now coming to the packaging, now none of the Himalaya face wash comes in a outer box. This is how the package looks, same as the Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash. So this is also priced at ₹65 and the quantity you are getting is 50 ml. I really suggest that people with normal skin and oily skin can use this. I can go for this. However, people with dry skin, you might not like it, and if honey suits you, then people with acne prone skin also can give a try to this. The next face wash that I am gonna talk about is the Himalaya Moisturizing Aloe Vera Face Wash. Now this has aloe vera and vitamin E in this. Now both are really good as a moisturizer. It moisturizes the skin really nicely. This is actually for dry skin people. I have oily skin. My mom used this. She has really dry skin and she has been using this since a couple of years, and her skin is absolutely stunning. She in fact has already finished a tube and she has been using this since a couple of years. I don't know how many tubes she has finished, and she has already got this one, and she always gets a bigger one. She doesn't get the smaller one. So I think this is really good for dry skin people. I have used this a couple of times, but my face is already oily, and this leaves your face moisturized. So for me particularly, who has an oily skin, it gives an extra moisture which I actually don't like. So not good for oily skin people. This is a complete yes for people who have dry skin. This also has cucumber in it, which means that it will soothe your skin nicely. Now this is priced at ₹120 only for 100 ml of product. Now let me show you how the packaging is. Now this is how the packaging looks. This is a 100 ml of tube, and let me show you how the face wash actually looks. Now this has a quite creamy kind of formula, and actually this, I am not sure whether it is coming, the real color is being showed or not in this video, but this actually has a minty color, quite minty on the mintier part, and the fragrance is so soothing. It actually gives that luxury kind of fragrance. I mean, it just feels so refreshing. However, because I have oily skin, I do not prefer it, but people with dry skin should definitely go with it. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe.